In today's digital era, technology has become an inseparable part of our lives, affecting every aspect of our daily existence. Every click, every scroll, and every swipe shapes the very essence of who we are and our beliefs. In this video, we're going to be exploring 10 ways technology is shaping your beliefs and making you act the way you do without you even realizing it. If you watch this video to the end, you'll also discover the secret ways technology is being used to control you. Number 10. Personalized content recommendation. Personalized content recommendations are everywhere on the internet, from social media to streaming services and news sites. These suggestions are like a personal assistant showing you stuff they think you'll like based on what you've done online before. They can be helpful because they save you time searching for things you might enjoy. But these suggestions have a deeper impact on you than you might think. They can computer programs behind them study what you do online, like what you click, read, and watch, to figure out what you're into. As a result, the content you see becomes more and more tailored to your own interest and beliefs. You end up in a kind of digital bubble where you're surrounded by information that agrees with what you already think. Number 9. Misinformation and disinformation. While technology provides us with unparalleled access to knowledge, it also opens the floodgates for disseminating misinformation and disinformation. These deceptive forms of information, whether intentional or unintentional, can sway your beliefs and perceptions, often leading you astray without you even realizing it. Misinformation means sharing false or wrong information by accident, like when we misunderstand something or don't check the facts. On the other hand, disinformation is when people purposely create misleading information to trick others. Both can spread super fast online, reaching lots of people in just a few seconds. When you see false or misleading things a lot, your brain might think they're true, even if they're not. It's like you start believing in something that's not real, and the more you see it, the harder it is to change your mind, even when you're shown evidence that it's wrong. Number 8. Persuasive design. Over the years, technology has been deployed as a master persuader, working behind the scenes to influence what you believe and how you act. Clever tricks called persuasive design are at play, quietly guiding you towards specific thoughts and actions without you even realizing it. One sneaky trick is notifications and alerts. Whenever your device is pinged with the message, your brain feels happy because of a chemical called dopamine. You like feeling rewarded, so you keep seeking these moments, and that keeps you using the platform more and more. Another tactic is making you crave social approval. When you see likes and comments on your post, you feel validated and popular, so you try to fit in with what's popular and think like everyone else. Number 7. Behavioral manipulation. Another way technology shapes your beliefs is through a tactic called behavioral manipulation. Behavioral manipulation is like using tricks from psychology to make you do what technology wants. One example of this is how social media keeps you scrolling endlessly. It knows you're curious and scared of missing out on things, so it shows you more and more content to keep you hooked. It feels like a personalized experience just for you, so you stay longer and share more. Even in education, apps and websites use similar tricks to motivate students. They turn learning into a game with rewards and achievements to keep us engaged. While this manipulation can make technology fun and addictive, it also raises some ethical concerns. It blurs the line between real satisfaction and being taken advantage of. Number 6. Cognitive biases. As technology has advanced, it has become possible to get news from all over the world instantly. It's amazing to have so much information at our fingertips, but it also brings some challenges, especially with the overwhelming amount of news content. One big issue is the way news is presented to us. Online platforms love using catchy headlines that stir up our emotions. They want us to click on the news, so they make it exciting, scary, or anger-inducing. As a result, we often end up reading stories that play with our feelings, and that can seriously impact how we view the world. The fast-paced nature of digital news also has its drawbacks. News pieces are often short and quick to read, but they mostly lack in-depth analysis and context. This means you might not get the full picture of complex events, and your beliefs about certain topics could be based on incomplete or even wrong information. Number 5. Social media influencers. The digital era has brought about a fascinating phenomenon: the emergence of social media influencers. These individuals wield tremendous influence over their followers' opinions, preferences, and beliefs. With large and devoted followers, they have the ability to shape not only popular culture and consumer trends, but also societal attitudes. These influencers come from various niches, ranging from fashion and beauty to fitness, lifestyle, and societal issues. They create content that connects deeply with their audience, creating a strong sense of authenticity and relatability. This bond fosters trust and personal connections, amplifying their influence. Even more influencers play a role in shaping public opinion on social issues and current events. Their platforms allow them to voice their perspectives, and when they engage with topics like politics, climate change, or social justice, their followers' belief systems are swayed by their opinions. Number 4, psychological targeting. These days, it's almost as if advertisers and politicians seem to know you better than you know yourself. This extraordinary power comes from something called psychological targeting, which is a clever strategy used by powerful entities to influence how you act, what you believe, and the choices you make, all without you even realizing it. Imagine psychological targeting as a fine-tuned magic wand waving through your digital trail to uncover your deepest wishes. Every move you make online, from social media to browsing and chatting, is carefully collected and studied to create a detailed picture of who you are. They know your personality, what you value, and what you believe. It's like they can read your mind. Armed with this special information about you, they create a captivating experience designed just for you. They choose their words and images carefully. They pull emotional strings like an expert puppeteer, all to make you respond exactly as they want you to. They serve you content that fits perfectly with what you already think and believe, making those ideas even stronger. But beware, it's a skillful dance of manipulation. In the world of politics, the stakes are sky high, and politicians, with the help of big tech companies, do their best to control elections by swaying your opinions and making you take sides on important issues. Number 3, radicalization. Another way in which technology shapes your beliefs is through radicalization. Radicalization is when people adopt extreme ideas or behaviors that go against what most people believe in society. This process happens gradually. For someone's thoughts and perspectives change over time, leading them to embrace radical beliefs. This could be about politics, religion, or social issues. In today's digital world, the internet and social media have a big role in making radicalization easier. Online platforms spread extremist content to a wide audience, and it can attract vulnerable individuals who might be influenced by radical ideas. Social media algorithms create echo chambers where people only see content that supports their radical beliefs, making them feel more isolated from others. Online communities and forums that promote extreme ideas also contribute to radicalization. These virtual spaces can make people feel like they belong and understand them, which can make them more open to radical narratives, promising a sense of purpose or identity. Number 2, virtual reality. Virtual reality isn't just a cool technology, it has the power to shape what you believe and how you see the world. When you put on those VR headsets, you're transported to computer-generated worlds that feel real and get you emotionally involved. This immersive experience can sway your thoughts and attitudes about different topics. Imagine walking in someone else's shoes, seeing things from their perspective. VR lets you do just that, and it fosters empathy and understanding. You get to explore diverse cultures and experiences, challenging your biases and broadening your minds about social issues. But here's the twist: VR experiences can sometimes have hidden biases or messages that influence what you believe without you even realizing it. VR can even change your behavior. It can encourage you to adopt healthier habits or conquer your fears, making you rethink the importance of these actions in your life. Number 1, online education. Online education is another gateway by which technology shapes your beliefs about a lot of things. Through online education, people get exposed to different subjects and viewpoints, and in this process, beliefs may be challenged and expanded as you learn from diverse perspectives. Online courses cover an extensive range of subjects and viewpoints, exposing learners to diverse perspectives and ideas. As learners encounter varied viewpoints, their beliefs will be challenged and broadened. And likewise, online education allows people to interact with peers from varied backgrounds, and this could easily shape their beliefs about global issues. And diversity. If you've made it this far, comment down below with the word 100 to confirm that you've received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.